Okay.
Hi, I'm Adam, and my dad just got done with this cool plane. Okay, you ready, Papa?
Hang on, I'm trying to get the other one off.
Watch this.
Where did it go? I can't keep it.
Awesome!
See it? It went like right through here.
Yes, throw that one, because that one's the one that goes the farthest.
And this one, my dad made, and it goes super far. And watch this. See?
I didn't see where it went.
It went in that tree.
Caught in the pine tree.
That white thing that's stuck in the trees, that's the plane. And my dad's using this
That's why
big
we have
pull.
super long arm for reaching.
You'll see it come down.
And it even flies out of the tree.
And the last plane that got stuck here, hey, stop it! Okay, so the last plane landed over here, which got stuck in another tree. All right, now we got both of them. Now we can try. Now we can do it again. Which it's snowing right now. Okay, so my dad's bringing the airplanes up and putting his long arm back. And now here comes the first plane. Oh. Okay, here comes the first plane. Here comes the first plane up on the deck. All right, here comes the second plane. And now I will do a test on both of them. And see which one goes the farthest. Well, that one mostly did the trick.
Okay.
Camera ladies out of here.